guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of my most favorite summer essentials. So I'm going to be showing you some skincare related products that are really summer appropriate, some food items and a little bit of fashion as well. I think all of these items are just so good for the summer, and since we are right in the middle of summer, actually approaching the peak in just about a few days, I thought this video would be perfect. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and also hit on the bell notification icon right next to it so that you are notified each and every time a new video goes live on the channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be starting with the skincare stuff because I do have a lot of skincare products right here, and I do have a little bit of body care products also. So I'm just going to be starting with, I think, the basic, which is hygiene and like odor issues. So obviously summer में odor issues काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है, जिसको tackle करने के लिए मैंने कुछ products जो है choose करे हैं. तो सबसे पहले I would like to start with the body mist section. So I think body mists are very important for the summer because of course perfumes भी important है, but perfumes थोड़े से stronger होते हैं and वो आप directly body पे apply नहीं कर सकते. Though I will advise कि आप body mist को भी directly body पे apply मत करना, because ultimately it doesn't really have very good ingredients, right? It does have certain chemicals and alcohol and all of that. So I will definitely suggest कि आप body mist को भी अपने clothes पे ही apply कीजिए, लेकिन body mist थोड़े से mild होते हैं and summer के लिए मुझे तो ज़्यादा appropriate लगते हैं. So the one that I'm using presently is the Layers Water Girl Mystic Island. I really like this one, you guys. I saw such good reviews for this one both on Amazon and on Nykaa. तो मैंने decide किया कि नहीं, अब ये खरीद ही लेते हैं. Most likely इसका price Amazon पे Nykaa से थोड़ा सा सस्ता था, which is why I picked it up from Amazon. You can get it off, I think, on Flipkart, on Nykaa, depending obviously on the availability and whether they're delivering this or not. But yes, मुझे ये मिल गया and I'm really fond of this body mist. If you want to look for alternatives for this one, you will get good body mists from Miniso. You will get good ones from, I think, the Body Shop as well. But obviously Body Shop का थोड़ा सा अगर आप price range देखोगे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा. But affordable body mists में definitely try out this one. Next up, I would definitely want to recommend you guys to include this one as a summer essential, because I feel that no matter how basic this sounds, this is one of the most important summer essential items. It is a good talcum powder, you guys. It is really important. Presently, I am enjoying the Nycil Germ Expert Cool Herbal Prickly Heat Powder, which is this huge tub. I think ये मुझे easily 2-3 साल चलने वाला है. This has menthol in it, because of which this does give me a very cooling effect, and after taking my shower I like to apply this on my body, and I have dry skin, you guys, so I don't need too much of it, but इसका थोड़ा सा quantity ही मुझे इतना ज़्यादा help करता है, not only with the odor issue but also I think just making me feel comfortable. It really works like a mini AC, like they say in some of the ads. So इसके alternatives भी of course है. I think you get these powders from, I think, Himalaya and some other brands as well. So obviously you need to experiment a little bit here and there and try to find out your comfort zone, try to find out the powder that suits you the most. But for me, this Nycil one works really well. I want to show you a shower gel wala section. Now I am not really using a mint wala shower gel at this point, but I have used mint wala shower gel in the past, and I think मैंने Nivea का use किया हुआ है. I'm going to attach a picture here so that you get a clear idea. You guys can try these mint wale shower gels, cooling shower gels. Most likely Fiamma Devils and Palmolive also have such options if I find them. I'm going to put the screenshot somewhere here. But Nivea का definitely एक menthol वाला shower gel आता है, which is perfect for summer. See, if you use those shower gels during the winter season ना, then आपको उनका effect उतना समझ में नहीं आएगा. But if you use them during the summer season, you will actually understand the benefit of that particular shower gel, because it is actually made for the summer season, So definitely try the mint shower gel from Nivea as well. Now moving ahead, I would like to talk to you guys about using a face cream. I personally have dry skin, right? So irrespective of the weather, I really have to apply something on my skin after I'm done with my shower. Otherwise my skin literally screams for some hydration, so I definitely have to apply some sort of a face cream. If you have dry skin and you don't want to apply something which is too chipchipa on your face, and suggest two things for you guys. One is this night gel from Plum. This is their green tea renewed clarity night gel. I think in this range they also have a day gel, I'm not very sure, but ऐसे टाइप के ना जेल बेस्ड नाइट जेल्स एंड डे क्रीम्स आपको मिल जाएंगे फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स. यू कैन ट्राई आउट द वंस फ्रॉम प्लम. दिस इज व्हाट द नाइट जेल लुक्स लाइक. इट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली लाइक अ जेल, एंड इसको आप ऐसे लगाओगे ना, ये पूरा ऐसे इजीली मिक्स हो जाता है, एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है इन सेकेंड्स, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग, लेकिन इट डजंट गिव यू दैट ग्रीजी फीलिंग. आई ऑफ कोर्स यूज दिस बिफोर आई go to sleep, and if you want you can apply it during the day as well, but I think this will work better if you keep it overnight. After shower, if you want to use something like a gel based thing, then you can go for a gel based cream. Don't go for something which is thick in nature, go for something which is a gel based thing. And अगर आपको कोई भी day gel या night gel या कोई भी ऐसा experiment आपको नहीं करना है, just stick to your basic aloe vera gel, okay? Even that will work. It will provide you hydration. It is very good for your skin and it is not chipchipa. So the one that I like using is from Apollo. This is their aloe vera gel. I like that it comes in a pump. I think it's very convenient to use a pump wala aloe vera gel, but obviously I have to suggest you guys Patanjali का aloe vera gel, जो कि मार्केट पे बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर भी है, इनएक्सपेंसिव भी है, एंड क्वांटिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको मिल जाता है. सो ट्राई दैट वन आउट एज वेल इन केस यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी. समर में अगर आपको मास्किंग करना है, फेस मास्क लगाना है, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन डू DIYs at home. Like you can just take cold curd from your fridge, just add some haldi to it, and you can make a paste out of it and apply that on your face, because if you take out curd from your fridge वो ठंडा रहता है, right? And summer में it feels so amazing you guys. So that is the DIY वाला part. मुल्तानी मिट्टी में आप थोड़ा सा एलोवेरा जेल ऐड कर सकते हो, रोज वाटर ऐड कर सकते हो, and you can apply that because of course it's मिट्टी, right? So it is cool in nature. But if you want something which is absolutely ready-made, कुछ भी आपको मिक्स करने की जरूरत ना पड़े, you can definitely go for the Upton face mask from Mamaearth. This is a really nice face mask you guys, and I feel like this is very summer appropriate because this has really good ingredients, and this also helps you with the acne, helps you with the excess oil on your face, and I completely love using this face mask. This has saffron, turmeric and apricot oil in it, and this is what it looks like. You can see I'm already halfway through the tub, and this is really nice. I really love it, and of course Mamaearth का product है, तो it is dermatologically tested, paraben and silicone free, and with bioactives like always. I love this one. Now there is this product, moving on to the next category, जो मुझे पहले ही डिस्कस कर लेना चाहिए था, but I somehow skipped it. So it is using a toner or a face mist. Now a toner अगर मुझे आपको suggest करना हुआ, I will be suggesting the Plum का alcohol free toner. Now that is what I had used in my last makeup tutorial you guys, and I completely love that toner. It is so lightweight yet it is so effective, and बहुत ही जल्दी soak in हो जाता है skin में. So toner आप शावर के बाद यूज कर सकते हो, या फिर just as a part of your skincare you can use a toner. If you are not fond of using a toner, you can go for a face mist. You can try Kama Ayurveda's face mists. They have really good face mists. And अगर आपको बिल्कुल ही essentials and basic में ही stick करना है, then what you can use is you can use a rose water. I will be putting a picture here. I think it is from the brand Jiva, जो मैंने Nykaa से pick up किया था. It is a really good rose water, and I love the fact that it comes in a spray bottle, because of course if you want to spray it onto your face, you can just do it directly, or else what you can do is you can buy like a big bottle of Gulabri rose water from Dabur, and you can buy these spray bottle sets from Miniso or जहाँ कहीं से भी आपको मिल जाए on Amazon, and you can just transfer from the rose water container to these small spray bottle containers. But if you go for this particular brand like Jiva का rose water, it was very inexpensive. I think मुझे 40 rupees में मिला, which I think is amazingly inexpensive, and it is very nice. Okay, it is absolute authentic rose water. So yeah, those were the three options: toner, या तो face mist, या तो rose water. इन तीनों में से आप कुछ भी अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में इंक्लूड करोगे ना, समर में you will definitely enjoy it. मैं एक चीज आप लोगों को दिखाना भूल गई as a part of your skin care routine, which is using a good sunscreen. Now presently I'm using the one from VLCC. ये मेरे लेटेस्ट मेकअप वीडियोस में आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा. Now I don't love this sunscreen. This is like an okay sunscreen, so I will not be recommending this one to you guys. If I have to recommend something to you, it will definitely be the one from Neutrogena. उसका जो sunscreen है वो बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपा नहीं है. It is a very good sunscreen, and it doesn't leave you with a greasy effect. एंड उसके अलावा जो मुझे पसंद है वो लोटस वाला सनस्क्रीन है, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट वाज माई होली ग्रेल वाला प्रोडक्ट एंड इनिशियली मैं वो ही यूज़ करती थी. आई थिंक आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दैट फॉर ईयर्स नाउ, but recently I switched to this one because that was unavailable. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि अभी तो we are not going outside and we don't really need to apply sunscreen because we are just at home and we are not going outside, please don't be in that misconception, because sunscreen is something which you need to apply at home as well. I'll give you a very simple explanation. So I have just kept the camera against my window and you can see the amount of light on my face. This is all natural lighting, okay? So you can see the amount of sun rays on my face. If I would not have applied sunscreen तो कितना ज़्यादा वो डैमेज करता मेरे स्किन को आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, बिकॉज मेरे घर में मेरे विंडो के थ्रू इतना ज़्यादा सन रेज मेरे फेस पे आ रहा है. सो सनस्क्रीन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट यू गाइज, एंड इवन इफ यू आर एट होम प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू इनकॉर्पोरेट अ गुड सनस्क्रीन इन योर रूटीन. Before we move to the food items and the fashion wala category, I forgot one last thing जो skincare related है, which is using a body lotion. If you have dry skin or oily skin and you need some sort of hydration because you're looking for a good body lotion, I'll definitely like to recommend the rose body lotion with rose water and milk from Mamaearth again. This is a really nice body lotion, you guys, and this is very very smooth and very very soft. Again, not very chipchipa. I am not fond of chipchipa products myself, and of course during the summer who will like chipchipa products, right? So you want something which soaks into your skin very easily and is not very greasy. So I'm just going to be showing you how the lotion feels like. So I'm just going to be pumping out a little, so you can see this is what the lotion looks like, and I'm just going to be mixing it onto my hands, and yeah, it is giving me a very nice smooth sensation. However, it is not at all greasy. So yes, I love this lotion. Smells beautifully of roses. And अगर आपको ये वाला particularly नहीं चाहिए because you're not fond of rose का scent, you can go for their Upton body lotion. You can go for that. I think they have a vitamin C body lotion as well, so you can try that out definitely. Okay, now we will move into the food category. So I'm definitely going to be recommending certain important food items to you guys. So the first thing is going to be cucumber. Now cucumber is something जो हम salad के form में definitely हर दिन consume कर ही सकते हैं. If not an entire cucumber, we can have half a cucumber every day, because cucumber I think is 90% water and it's really really good for you. It hydrates you. It's full of nutrients and minerals as well. So cucumber definitely आप अपने diet में add कर सकते हो. Apart from that, coconut water, again very important. If you're not having it every day, try to have it at least every alternate day. It's really good for the summers. If you are not getting actual real coconut water near you, you can buy something like this. The one that I have is from Mojoko. This is their 200 ml coconut water tetra pack with a straw. I really like this one. मैं इसको फ्रिज में रख देती हूँ and every alternate day I just take it out and मैं एक tetra pack पूरा finish कर देती हूँ. This actually has only coconut water. If you see their ingredients section, you see that they don't have anything that they have added to this. They only have tender coconut water in this. So this has more potassium than one whole banana, 5 essential electrolytes, and it supports rapid hydration. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा समर की वजह से dehydration हो रहा है and you want to have rapid hydration in your body, you can try something like this. Or obviously the actual coconut water is much better. It's much real, but this is also proper coconut water. The third thing that I want to mention out here is buttermilk and curd. So curd consume करना is very important during the summers because वो आपके body को ठंडा रखता है, helps in digestion and all of that. कर्ड को आप किसी भी फॉर्म में कंज्यूम कर सकते हो. सो यू कैन हैव बटर मिल्क, यू कैन हैव लस्सी. इट्स योर विश, इट्स योर पर्सनल चॉइस कि आपको कर्ड को कैसे कंज्यूम करना है. यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक रायता, बट डू मेक कर्ड लाइक अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट of your diet. And another point I wanted to mention here is that having 4 liters of water every day minimum is very important during the summers. Now because you are inside your home and you're not doing much of physical activity, I understand that उतना ज़्यादा sweating नहीं होता है. Like usually we used to sweat when we used to go outside, right? तो घर के अंदर आपको उतनी ज़्यादा प्यास नहीं लगने वाली है because you're not going to sweat that much. But if you want to take care of how much water you are actually drinking, I think you should go for very cute water bottles that you like. Just invest in them, buy them off of Amazon and just invest in very good colorful bottles, because अगर आपके bottles colorful होंगे तो आप ज़्यादा उसको भरोगे and पियोगे. Trust me, it works. Okay, it's all psychological. If you have a boring bottle, versus if you have like a very good cute bottle, you will want to drink more water from it, right? You also get these bottles these days जिसमें ना ऐसा marking रहता है that you're supposed to have this much when it's 1 p.m, this one when it's 2 p.m, so it gives you like these hourly reminders if you see that marking. So you can go for those bottles as well. I think they are very helpful during the summer, so आप उनमें भी invest कर सकते हो. Okay, last but not the least, I would like to end this video by saying that please include comfortable fabric in your summer routine. Try to wear more and more of cotton. I think cotton is the most comfortable during summers. Try to wear loose clothes. Don't wear very body hugging clothes. Even if during the day you're wearing a little body hugging clothes, when you go off to sleep, ensure that you're wearing one size larger wala t-shirt and one size larger wala pajama. You don't want to wear hugging t-shirt and pajama when you go to sleep. So wear loose clothes, wear cotton fabric. This is not only for your t-shirt and your pajama or shorts, this is also for your underwear. Don't go for satin or synthetic quality ka underwear. I think if you go for cotton material underwear, you will feel much more comfortable. And also another tip that I would just like to throw in here is that if you are living alone, like I am living alone here, I can roam around in shorts and tank tops and bralettes if I want to, right? Because I am living alone over here. But I understand that most of you are with your families, right? So if you're with your family and you feel very hot and you want to wear something a little comfortable and not really very covered, then you can go in for tank tops, right? The racer back tops. But again, because if you wear the racer back tops, then your bra gets revealed. If you don't want to wear like proper racer back tops, you get very good sleeveless tops from Amazon, Beavercove, I think on Ajio as well. I don't know if they're delivering currently at your location. And I'm not encouraging online shopping, you guys. I just wanted to mention that if you want to wear something comfortable and let's say you don't have it at home, you can just buy 3-4 of these sleeveless tops, you know, because you get these racer back tops and you get the ones that have covered backs. So they are not only covered but they are also very comfortable during the summers. So yeah, those were my summer essentials, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know which was your favorite summer essential in the comment section down below. I love making videos for you guys, so please do let me know how you feel after watching them. I would love to go through your comments, and I always try to reply to each one of you. So please make sure that you comment down below, and before you leave the channel, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay home. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.